Welcome everyone to Code Hub ZA, where you will be taught how to code in multiple different languages and will be taught multiple different things. Today's first lesson is how to open a folder in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code, click on the top left icon in the corner and open a folder. Once you've clicked on open folder, go to wherever you'd like to have your folder saved. I'm going to save it here in my desktop. Right click on new, go to folder, and name your folder. I'm going to name it My App. Once that is done, you select your folder. Your folder will be open on the left-hand side of your screen, as seen here. In your folder, create a new file. We'll call it index.js. On the right is where your code will be. We'll create another file. We'll call it mystyle.css. On the right is where your code will be. To create another file within this folder, we go back on the left, click on that little icon the mouse is on. We call it index.html. On the right is where your code will be and where you will be typing out your code. There are your files as seen. They are in your My App folder. All three files. On the right is where you type out your code. I'm just going to type, welcome to my website. Once you have that typed out, now we move on to the next step where we're going to run the code. You go to that little icon, select run and debug, select which app you'd like to use, and there, you're done. And whatever you have typed out on your index.html file will pop up onto here as an example of what your website will look like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share.